Welcome back to my channel. This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever questioned reality? Do things sometimes feel off, like a broken record skipping back? What if our universe isn't what we think it is? What if we are living in a giant computer simulation? This isn't science fiction. It's a question that scientists and philosophers are asking. The simulation hypothesis proposes that our reality is not real. It's a complex computer program designed by a more advanced intelligence. The idea is mind-boggling. But the more we explore the universe, the more it seems possible. Think about the vastness of space, the strangeness of quantum physics. Could it be that our universe is just lines of code in some advanced being's computer? This isn't about becoming paranoid, it's about opening our minds to new possibilities. It's about looking at the universe with fresh eyes. If we are in a simulation, shouldn't there be glitches? Moments where the fabric of our reality seems to tear, revealing the underlying code? Think about video games. Sometimes they have bugs or errors. Characters might walk through walls or the environment might not load correctly. The simulation hypothesis suggests our reality might have them too. These anomalies could be the result of errors in the code that constructs our world. Déjà vu is one example. That eerie feeling of having already lived through a moment. It's as if a scene is replaying itself, a glitch in the timeline. Could this be a glitch in the Matrix, a hiccup in the simulation, or perhaps a momentary overlap of parallel realities? Then there are unsolved mysteries, the placebo effect, for example. How can a sugar pill sometimes produce real healing effects? Could it be that our minds programmed by the simulation are more powerful than we realize? Are we tapping into hidden capabilities coded within us? Some point to the double-slit experiment in quantum mechanics. This experiment has baffled scientists for decades. This experiment shows that light can be both a wave and a particle, depending on whether it's being observed. It challenges our understanding of reality. Is this a sign that our reality is being rendered as we watch it, like a video game? Are we the players in a grand simulation? These glitches, while not proof, make us wonder, are we seeing the fabric of reality unravel? Or are we simply glimpsing the edges of a much larger, more complex system? The simulation hypothesis isn't just a philosophical thought experiment, it's a fascinating concept that bridges the gap between science and philosophy, challenging our understanding of reality itself. It has roots in science, drawing from fields like quantum mechanics, computer science, and cosmology. Think about the nature of our universe. It's vast, complex, and governed by laws that we are still striving to fully understand. Everything is made of atoms, tiny particles that behave in predictable ways. These atoms form the building blocks of all matter. These predictable behaviors are what allow us to have physics and chemistry. They form the foundation of the natural sciences. They are the rules of the game, the fundamental principles that govern how everything interacts. Now imagine a computer program so advanced, it could simulate the interaction of every atom in the universe. Such a program would be incredibly complex, yet theoretically possible. This is the essence of the simulation hypothesis. It suggests that our reality could be an intricate simulation created by an advanced civilization. Even more intriguing is the connection to information theory. This theory posits that information is the fundamental building block of the universe. Some scientists believe that the universe isn't made of matter and energy, but of information. This perspective shifts our understanding of reality. If this is true, then the universe is less like a giant machine and more like a giant computer program. Every particle, every interaction, could be a line of code. The more we understand about physics and computer science, the more the simulation hypothesis becomes a real possibility. It opens up new avenues for exploring the nature of existence and our place within it. Section 4. Are we just lab rats? The universe as an experiment. Have you ever wondered if everything we know, everything we see is part of a grand design? If we are in a simulation, who created it and why? These questions have puzzled philosophers and scientists alike for centuries. One possibility is that our universe is an experiment, a controlled environment created by beings far more advanced than us. Imagine a civilization far more advanced than our own. A society that has mastered technology and science to an extent we can barely comprehend. They could have created this simulation to study our behavior, our history, and our evolution over time, or even the very nature of existence itself. What drives us? What makes us human? Think about the vastness of space, the endless possibilities that lie beyond our understanding. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. The sheer scale is mind-boggling. It's hard to believe we are alone. The idea that we are the only intelligent beings in this vast universe seems improbable. Could it be that these advanced beings are watching us, studying us and learning from our actions, like scientists observing ants in a colony? Our every move, every decision meticulously recorded and analyzed? This idea is both fascinating and unsettling. It challenges our perception of reality and our place in the universe. Are we just pawns in a cosmic game, manipulated by forces beyond our control? Our lives nothing more than data points in a grand experiment? The thought is humbling, and it makes us question everything we know. But it also highlights the potential for knowledge and discovery that exists in the universe. The quest for understanding continues, driving us to explore the unknown. Section 5. Breaking free. Can we escape the simulation? The idea of being trapped in a simulation is unsettling. But is it possible to escape? Some believe that if the simulation is not perfect, there might be ways to find cracks in the system. These cracks could be glitches in the matrix like those we discussed earlier. Others believe that the key to escaping the simulation lies in our consciousness. If we can become aware of the simulation and manipulate it with our minds, we might be able to break free. However, there's a bigger question. If we escape the simulation, where do we go? What awaits us on the other side? These questions are still in the realm of science fiction, but they highlight the profound implications of the simulation hypothesis. Section 6. The Matrix or reality. Does it matter? The simulation hypothesis raises a fundamental question. Does it really matter if we are in a simulation? If our lives, our experiences, our relationships are all part of a program, does that make them any less real or meaningful to us? Some argue that it doesn't matter at all. We experience the world as real, regardless of its true nature. Our joys, our sorrows, our triumphs are all part of our journey, simulated or not. Others believe that the knowledge of being in a simulation would fundamentally change our understanding of ourselves and the universe. Ultimately, the answer to this question is a personal one. There is no right or wrong answer to this. Section 7. A universe of possibilities. The simulation hypothesis is a mind-bending idea. It challenges our perception of reality and forces us to confront the vast unknown. While we may never know for sure if we are living in a simulation, the mere possibility opens up a universe of intriguing questions. It pushes the boundaries of our imagination and inspires us to explore the cosmos with a sense of wonder and curiosity. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel the mysteries of our own existence, the simulation hypothesis serves as a reminder that the truth, whatever it may be, is often stranger than fiction. So, the next time you experience something strange or unexplainable, take a moment to consider, are you witnessing a glitch in the matrix? Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing content.